Are phone calls not working in Phone Link? Whether you can't make calls, answer incoming calls, or the Calls tab isn't working properly, this tutorial will walk you through the most effective fixes to get Phone Link calling features working again. So let's get started. First, open Phone Link and make sure your phone is connected successfully. Calls won't work if the connection between your phone and Windows has been interrupted. Phone calls in Phone Link rely on Bluetooth in addition to your internet connection. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on for both your Windows computer and your phone, and verify that the devices are paired correctly. Yeah, this is one of the most common causes of calling issues. Next, open the link to Windows app and review its permissions. Make sure the app has permission to access phone calls, contacts, Bluetooth, and notifications if requested by your device. If calls connect but you can't hear anything, check your Windows sound settings. Make sure the correct microphone and speaker are selected, and confirm they aren't muted or being used by another application. Update Phone Link from the Microsoft Store and update the link to Windows app on your phone. Installing the latest versions can fix compatibility issues and improve call stability. You know, software updates often include fixes for connection problems. If calls still aren't working, remove your phone from Phone Link, delete the Bluetooth pairing if necessary, then pair your phone again from the beginning. This refreshes both the Phone Link connection and the Bluetooth connection. It usually resolves stubborn issues that basic troubleshooting can't fix. And that's how to fix Phone Link calls when they're not working. In most cases, checking Bluetooth, reviewing permissions, updating the apps, and reconnecting your phone will solve the issue. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more Windows tutorials and practical technology guides, and I'll see you in the next video.